idea. Did you get it? Is it a yes, yes, yes? Okay. I hope you did. Okay, so this will be number 4 and 5. This is 4 and 5. So this will be your assignment already. Okay, for your second assignment, so you will have your evaluation, which I think I will be giving away. Okay, kindly get one each. Okay, you can just get this later. You can just distribute this later. So that will be your evaluation. That is another assignment for me to know if you really understood what we have taken up already. Okay, so let me end this by stating the following ideas about the topic that we have had. Okay, so congratulations because you have had all 15 points for the operation. Okay, very good. So let me say this. Okay, as I close. Okay, according to John Dufresne, the purpose of the first draft is not to get it right, but to get it written, which you were able to accomplish. Then the second one, brainstorming, just like what Group 1 did, and I know all of you can be able to do this as well. It's conversations. Brainstorming isn't thinking. So it's conversations between you and your best, according to another class. And then according to Osho is the philosopher, experience life in all possible ways. So you should not be afraid. Good or bad, either or sleep, dark or light, summer or winter. Experience all the dualities. So don't be afraid of experience, because the more experience you have, the more mature you become. Okay, so this came from the religion masters. So the quiz time, so since that is an assignment, so those are assignments. So another one, kindly take note of this, study organizing ideas. So these will be the last 3. So that will be taken up tomorrow in the next day. So you will be writing a draft about your dreams that you want to achieve in life. That will be the next lesson and the next activities that we will be looking forward to. Okay? So with that, I would like to say thank you.